How do you face adversity? What's goodie? It's your boy Rod with goodieArt. If this is your first time joining, thank you so much for joining. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. So how do you face adversity when adversity arises? Today we'll talk about facing and overcoming adversity. Life is full of ups and downs and different twists and turns throughout all of life, but it's all how we define those moments that define us. And in this particular video, we'll be exploring different tips and strategies for you to overcome adversity. Step 1, acknowledge your feelings. When facing adversity, it's normal to feel a range of different emotions from fear, anger, frustration, or sadness. But it's also important for you to acknowledge these feelings and accept those feelings for what they are. Allow yourself to experience these emotions. It's okay to feel vulnerable and seek support from loved ones. And by acknowledging those feelings, you can better understand your situation and start to move forward. The next step, acknowledge the situation. It's very important for you to acknowledge that you are facing a challenge. Denying or avoiding the problem will only make it worse. So take a deep breath and acknowledge the situation for what it is. Step 3. Stay positive. It's easy to get bogged down by negativity when facing adversity, but remember, a positive attitude can make all the difference. Focus on what you can control and keep a positive mindset. You might find help in writing out positive affirmations for you to read out loud every morning. Write these positive affirmations either on a mirror, on pieces of paper, or sticky notes around your house, and then also surround yourself with positive people. Step 4. Take action. Once you have accepted the situation and set your mindset to a positive outlook, it's now time to take action. This will help you to stay motivated and make progress towards overcoming that adversity. Identify the problem and break it down into small, manageable steps, and start taking action towards a solution. Even small steps can make a big difference in your ability to overcome adversity. Taking action also gives you a sense of control over your situation whenever you're faced with adversity, which can help you feel more empowered and motivated whenever you're faced with adversity. Step 5. Stay resilient. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from difficult situations. Cultivate resilience by building a support network of friends, family, and mentors who can help provide guidance, encouragement, and support. Also, take care of yourself by practicing self-care activities such as exercise, meditation, or journaling. When you stay resilient, you can navigate through adversity with greater ease. Step 6. Learn from the experience. Learning from the experience of adversity can be a great teacher. Take the opportunity to learn from your experience and grow from it. Ask yourself, what can I do differently next time? Or how can I prevent similar challenges from happening in the future? Step 7, seek support. Always remember that you don't have to face adversity alone. Seek support from friends, family, or a professional. They can provide a listening ear, practical advice, or even emotional support. So make sure that you go out and actually seek help from others. So there you have it. Some tips and strategies for facing and overcoming adversity. Remember, it's not about avoiding those challenges, but rather how you handle those challenges whenever they do arise that really matters. And with a positive mindset, determination, and support, you can overcome any obstacle that you're faced with. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you can keep up with the latest from goodieArt. And please be sure that you like this video. It really does help out the channel. And feel free to share this video with all your family and friends. And I will see you in the next one.